Welcome to Prompt to Profit today. I'll show you the top 5 AI agents that can actually make you money in 2025. If you're interested in automation, AI tools, and building new income streams, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future strategies. Number 1, AI sales agents. Imagine an AI answering calls, talking to customers, and closing deals while you sleep. Platforms like Vapi and Relevance AI already let you build voice or chat agents that sound natural and can book meetings or sell products. Number 2, automation agents. With tools like N8N or Pipedream, you can connect different apps and let your agent handle repetitive tasks. For example, it can capture a lead from your website, add it to your CRM, send an email, and even schedule a call automatically. Number 3, AI content agents. These use AI to write, design, and even edit videos. Tools like Pictory, Runway, and Canva AI can generate social media posts, YouTube shorts, or blog articles in minutes. You can monetize this by running content services for businesses or by building your own channels. Number 4, e-commerce agents. These AI bots can handle customer service on platforms like Shopify. They answer product questions, recommend upsells, and even process refunds. They increase sales, reduce support costs, and keep your store running smoothly, even when you're offline. Number 5, voice and call agents. These are like virtual employees who talk to customers on the phone. They can qualify leads, answer frequently asked questions, and direct customers to the right solution. Businesses already pay for this, which means you can offer this service and get paid too. So, how do these agents actually make money? By generating sales directly with AI sales reps, by saving businesses time and costs through automation, by creating content that can be monetized, by running e-commerce support that boosts revenue. The bottom line, AI agents can either earn you money or save you enough time that it feels like making money. These 5 AI agents are not science fiction. They're tools available today. If you want to learn how to build your first AI agent step by step, make sure you subscribe and check out our next video. Thanks for watching Prompt to Profit, where we turn prompts into profit.